Welcome to Beautyistic. Let's talk about the Skin Gym Amethyst Revati Vibrating Face Roller Massager. If you're someone who's looking for a simple yet effective way to fight wrinkles and fine lines, this might be the beauty tool you've been waiting for. Stick around as we break down its features, effectiveness, and whether it's worth adding to your routine. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell for more honest beauty reviews. Now, the Skin Gym Amethyst Revati Vibrating Face Roller is a compact, easy-to-use beauty tool designed to target wrinkles, fine lines, and help lift the skin with its gentle vibrations. It's made with amethyst, a stone renowned not just for its calming properties, but also for its holistic benefits in skincare. The roller is intended to boost circulation, improve product absorption, and leave your skin with a healthy, glowing appearance. It's also incredibly convenient for daily use, requiring just 10 to 15 minutes of your time. When it comes to its ingredients and materials, there's a lot to love. The amethyst crystal is not only beautiful, but it's also known for its soothing properties, perfect for those who enjoy a more calming skincare routine. Plus, the vibrations enhance the absorption of any serums or oils you apply, ensuring your skincare products work even harder. In terms of performance, the roller is designed to be easy to use. Simply twist to turn it on or off. You can glide it over areas like the brows, under eyes, lips, cheeks, and jawline, where fine lines tend to show up. It's gentle enough for daily use, which makes it a solid addition to any skincare routine, especially if you're looking to add a little extra TLC. I used it during my evening skincare routine after applying a hydrating serum, and I could feel the vibrations working into my skin, leaving it looking fresh and energized by the end. Now, let's talk pros and cons. Pros? First, the vibrations are subtle yet effective. They don't feel too intense, but you can definitely tell that it's improving circulation, which contributes to that glowy look we all love. The design is sleek and lightweight, making it easy to use and carry around. Plus, the amethyst crystal gives it a luxe feel, adding that holistic touch to your beauty regimen. On the flip side, while the vibrations are lovely, they're not as strong as you might find in other massagers on the market. So if you're someone who prefers a more intense experience, this might feel a little too gentle. Another minor con is that it's not waterproof, so cleaning it requires a damp cloth. But honestly, that's a small ask for a tool that works well and lasts. When it comes to value for money, at its price point, you're really paying for the quality of materials, like the amethyst, as well as the overall experience. This isn't just a vibrating roller, it's a self-care tool designed to give you a luxurious and calming experience every day. Considering its versatility and the benefits it offers, I do think it's worth the investment, especially for those serious about skincare. Comparing it to other similar tools, this one stands out with its use of amethyst. Most other vibrating face rollers either don't use any crystals or opt for more common stones. The amethyst adds an extra layer of luxury and holistic benefits that you don't always find in competing products. But if you're looking for something more budget-friendly, there are simpler vibrating face rollers out there that may work just as well. Now, regarding build quality, the tool feels sturdy, but keep in mind that its longevity depends on how well you care for it. Since it isn't waterproof, you'll need to make sure you wipe it down after every use to avoid any damage. The good news is that it's designed to last for the long haul with proper maintenance. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. And if you're itching to get it, the link is in the comments. As for customer service, I didn't have to reach out directly, but Skin Gym's reputation for responsive customer care gives me confidence that any issues would be handled well. So what's the final verdict on the Skin Gym Amethyst Revati Vibrating Face Roller? Overall, it's a great tool for anyone looking to incorporate facial massage into their skincare routine. It's gentle, easy to use, and effective at promoting glowing skin and improved product absorption. While it may not be the most intense option on the market, its calming properties and high-quality materials make it a worthwhile investment for those looking for a relaxing daily skincare tool. Thanks so much for watching. If you've used this product, drop a comment below and let us know your thoughts. And as always, stay beautiful inside and out.